LeBron to the Sixers. He signed today and I already got the jerseys. Broad and Larry, baby, come get you.
Hey, we got Broad! Let's go!
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Philly, LeBron. The Sixers.
My God is
I
right.
would have bet the farm that was not happening.
LeBron is a Sixer, everybody. We're going to the NBA Finals.
LeBron James is a Sixer! LeBron James!
I told y'all niggas we was getting LeBron. I'm fucking told. Hey, I'm getting all my shit ready. I'm getting. I told.
Well, 40. Tell everybody you pay 40. Broad and alert. LeBron to the Sixers. We up.
That ain't on me?
Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished?